Greetings. In this video, we will be talking about setting up your Seller Central account and deciding what Amazon Marketplace you want to sell in. Seller Central is the website you will be using to sell in the Amazon Marketplace. In this slide, we're going to be going over what you need to set up your seller account. To get to the Seller Central page, simply Google Amazon Seller Central or type in the link from the slide. Once you're there, click Register Now and then click Start Selling. In order to register an account, Amazon is going to require some information. You're going to need a valid ID and a valid email address. I suggest making one specifically for Amazon emails. They also may ask for a current bank statement within 2 to 3 months, your social security number or EIN, a valid credit card, a valid phone number. However, you can use Skype Business or Google Voice if you don't want to list your personal number. And lastly, a mailing address. You can set up an address with the UPS store if you don't want to use your home address. Once you are registering, it is going to have 2 different account options. You can pick from either an individual account or a professional seller account. An individual seller account charges $1 per item sold and can be good if you're just starting out and will be selling less than 40 units a month. The other option is a professional account. This account will be $40 a month and allow you to sell in the US, Canada, and Mexico if you decide to sell in the North American marketplace. However, Amazon will reimburse your money if you don't have any sales your first month. In this slide, we will be discussing the different Amazon Marketplace options. If you're going to sign up for the North American marketplace, you're able to sell in the US, Canada, and Mexico. You may also decide to sell in the European marketplace or other marketplaces. Currently, the US marketplace is by far the biggest and is what I sell in. However, other marketplaces are quickly evolving and may also be good opportunities. You do not need to live in the country you decide to sell in.